If you've bought paint recently, you know that good quality paint is not cheap. So when you buy a gallon, you want to make sure you use every drop of it. And if you end up with half a gallon of paint, in this case, this was some paint we used for some exterior trim work, you want to store it safely so you can reuse it next time. Now, although the can is half filled with paint, it's also half filled with air. And that air can cause problems, including a thick skin will form on the top layer of the paint, making it almost impossible to use next time. This happens not only with paint, but also with clear coat varnishes and sealers and things like that. So you want to try to store it safely and seal out as much air as possible. And all you need is some food wrap, regular old plastic food wrap. Pull off a big old piece of it, and you want to lay it right in the paint can. And you want to try to set it as carefully as you can on top of the paint, right on the paint itself. Then press it against the sides of the can. And so once the plastic's sitting right on the paint like that, just replace the lid and store the paint. Then when you're ready to paint again, just pull off the lid, carefully remove the plastic, and the paint will be fresh, ready for a new coat.